Hey everybody, the Mouse and More here. If you're new to the channel, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. Alright, we're gonna hop on the ferry boat. There is another one making its way over the Seven Seas Lagoon. So we're gonna hop on the ferry boat and head over to Magic Kingdom. Hi, good morning.
Good morning. No, you're good. Let's try yours again, please. It's just being a little hokey this morning, not being beautiful. Okay. There you go. You're all set.
Thank you. All right, just like that, we are in the Magic Kingdom. We're going to eat over at Tony's Town Square restaurant at some point during our trip. I think the last time I ate there, it was for breakfast, when they were open for breakfast way back when. Here are the paw prints of Lady and the Tramp in cement outside the restaurant. Just gonna stop in over at the Main Street Confectionery. I like to stop in here when Main Street isn't that busy, so I can get a good look at all these sweet treats they have on display. This way, when I come back later on in the evening, I know exactly what snack I want to get. It's definitely a tough decision to make. Looks like we're going to catch the Dapper Dans.
It's a great big beautiful day. Let's start this day off with a great big beautiful song. I like it. There's a great big beautiful tomorrow. It's just a dream away.
Always good seeing the Dapper Dans. Now we're going to head up to the train station.
Now, if you're more the rootin' tootin' type, then partner, saddle up, cause this here's Frontierland. Home to cowpokes, campfires, and country bears, this outpost is chock full of tall tales and an even taller mountain. We call it Big Thunder. Catch a ride on its runaway trains and you'll see why. On a more musical note, just ahead, Princess Tiana is striking up the band for her big party. She made me promise to tell you folks, you're invited. We've reached Frontierland Station, everyone, so sit tight and hold those horses until we've come to a complete stop. If you're disembarking, please carry your strollers all the way off the platform before unfolding. Watch your step now. This is Frontierland Station.
As we're pulling into the station, please remain fully seated until the train comes to a full and complete stop. I will give you the 2 words of all clear once it is safe for you to disembark the train. But until then, please remain fully seated.
If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thanks so much for coming with me to Magic Kingdom and riding the 7 Dwarfs Mine Train.